Hey guys, we are going to be turning a pair of IKEA lac side tables into a designer style coffee table today. It's inspired by the Zaminda coffee table from Oka, which is sold out, but it retails at just under £1,000. So we really are going for a super upmarket designer look today. Our starting point is the super common pair of IKEA lac side tables. I mean, you can buy them second hand through Facebook Marketplace like I did. I got a pair of them for £5. They're mismatched in colour, but we're going to paint everything anyway. We're actually only going to use one full table and then the top from a second table. So you are going to be left with a set of legs. You'll probably see them appear in a future flip of mine. I never throw anything away. So let's get started. Alright guys, I'm going to use some of this Polyfilla on the table just to kind of fill in the joins. Oh, look at that colour! This is the shade Tuscan Red from Little Greene Paint Company in their Intelligent Eggshell emulsion, which is good for painting furniture. And this is why you don't order materials after a glass of wine. Not quite 55 centimeters, I think it might be 55 millimeters. Going to put these little feet on the bottom. Okay, so once I managed to reorder my glass look acrylic top for the table in the right size, we were just about ready to go. Quick clean once it was on the table, and here's a reminder of where we started. And this is the finished table. I absolutely love the colour. I hope you guys enjoyed the video and are inspired by the IKEA hack. Don't throw away any of your IKEA lac side tables. Do something like this, do something similar, do it in a different colour. Let me know in the comments below if you've done any IKEA hacks or if you're going to attempt this one. I would love to know and I'd love to see the results. See you next time.